Hello and welcome to ProMart DX. My name is Keshav and I'm excited to introduce you to an innovative new technology standard that is truly revolutionizing the manufacturing industry and its supply chain. With that, I would like to introduce you to omlox, the world's first open locating standard enabling smart factory and logistics solutions. It is hosted by Profibus and Profinet International, which is the world's largest interest group for industrial communication covering all key markets of industrial automation. Omlox is an open, rapidly growing ecosystem with over 80 international partners from a variety of technical backgrounds such as industrial sensing, robotics, or software solutions. From global system integrators to independent software vendors or various industrial hardware providers, they all can be part of this open ecosystem. In essence, Omlox enables the interoperability of all positioning technologies through one single API, allowing for the cross integration of hardware and software components from any vendor supporting vast number of use cases. Let us now dive deeper and have a look on how Omlox functions in an industrial environment with the following video.
Hello. This is. You don't really care, do you? You just want your factory to run smoothly. Nico, for example, had the idea of implementing cross-site tracking in order to get full transparency of his production and logistics processes. But this requires integration of several locating technologies and different hardware devices. Now, there is a solution. It's omlox, the new locating standard. Nico is now able to combine trackables like tags, tools or forklifts and the infrastructure from different manufacturers. They only need to support the omlox standard. Let's have a quick look at omlox. The omlox core zone provides open interfaces in the UWB area and guarantees easy interoperability. In the complementary zones, other locating technologies like RFID, GPS and 5G can be integrated as well. The omlox hub allows a seamless access to locating data no matter which locating technologies are used. With the omlox hub API, it's possible to integrate any desired industrial application. Nico is very happy with the new possibilities that omlox opens up. And you can benefit from omlox too. Get in touch with the omlox community. It's open to everyone.
So now that you had a look at our system architecture in the previous video, let's have a little deeper look by emphasizing on this system architecture picture. Here you see an air interface and the APIs outlined, which are the two main parts of the omlox. And these are what we have standardized. The air interface ensures interoperability amongst the hardware, and the APIs harmonize the location data from across multiple location technologies and converts local coordinates into a geo-coordinate. The core zone in this architecture overview represents the open ultra-wideband zone. The focus on ultra-wideband technology as part of the omlox ecosystem is primarily due to specific localization characteristics of ultra-wideband technology, which are relatively high accuracy, low latency, and its ability to work in non-line of sight conditions in the industrial space. Now in the following videos, let's have a look into real-life scenarios to understand the benefits of ultra-wideband and omlox ecosystem. For example, let's listen to my colleague Daniel Bossert explaining how seamless indoor-outdoor forklift tracking can be made possible.
So this is our forklift, and as you can see, it's equipped with a gateway box from the company SICK. And the beauty of this product is that it combines two locating technologies. On the one hand, we have a GPS sensor for the outside tracking of the forklift. And as GPS does not work inside, we have ultra-wideband, another sensor. So this enables us now to locate inside and outside the forklift. This box also is directly linked to the omlox hub. Another speciality of the omlox setup is that we can have two modes to compute the positioning of an ultra-wideband tag. For asset tags, we have here a tag which can compute its positioning directly on the central server. And On the other hand, we have a product which is called Smart Antenna. This product computes its positioning directly on the microcontroller, as we have enough power source from the battery of the forklift. In the end, it results that we can use an unlimited amount of ultra-wideband tags with one setup in parallel.
At our testbed in southern Germany, let's see how robust ultra-wideband tracking is being made possible in heavy metallic environment.
So here in the testbed we have ultra-wideband installation, as you can see here on the ceiling. And this allows us now to track in real time this ultra-wideband tag and this order. And to show you the robustness and the precision of the system, we have prepared a metallic hood which we put on top of this tag. So this tag is completely encapsulated by this metallic hood. And as you can see on the map, it is still capable to track this item. And this makes this ultra-wideband technology so important for our industry, as it works also under these harsh conditions and also under a non-line of sight condition.
We talked about the core zone. Now with an example, let's have a look on how interoperability works among different hardwares from different vendors.
Our next topic is another benefit which omlox will provide to you, and this is ultra-wideband core zone. And let me introduce you this one. So today, if you buy an ultra-wideband system from one vendor, or from another vendor, or from a third vendor, they're all proprietary system. And by saying that, you cannot mix any hardware components from different supplier, because each vendor defines its own air interface. So what have we done now with omlox? We have specified this infrastructure, the air interface, meaning by the communication between the infrastructure and a tag. And that now allows us to integrate any kind of ultra-wideband tags, like here from WebTag or an omlox tag, or even though from a SIG-port with e-ink displays, or from TUMF, you can easily integrate that, and this is now a scalable solution and interoperability of the hardware components.
You see what all benefits you can get from our core zone offerings, but there are still many. For example, let's have a look at your shop floor. Here, as you can see, you can integrate various hardware components from different vendors, which helps reduce the installation and maintenance cost, leading to lower total cost of ownership. Now let's have a look at some of the hardware examples where integration has taken place. We have integrated ultra-wideband technology in drones and various automated guided vehicles used for different purposes inside a manufacturing hall or a warehouse. Now with this technology integrated in robotics, you can realize use cases like AGV fleet management in your manufacturing space or warehouses. We can localize the spots like these and do the spot cleaning with cleaning robots incorporated with ultra-wideband technology. Also now in omlox ecosystem, with the help of augmented reality, we are supporting indoor navigation in production halls or warehouses. These are just a few possibilities with omlox and its ecosystem. To know more where you can be part of this, visit us at PromartDX and feel free to contact us. We will be happy to help, and do not forget to follow us on LinkedIn or YouTube for regular updates. Thank you.